What is the name of this Shotengai?
Tenjinbashisuji Shotengai.
Tenjinbashisuji Shotengai.
Shotengai.
What is a Shotengai? Shotengai is a popular shopping arcade in Japan where you can find many goods from restaurant to household, 100 yen shops, drink shops, book shop, lots of things. Basically everything you need. And this is the longest Shotengai in Japan, about 3 kilometers long. It's open every day, Monday to Sunday, till late. Who comes here? Normally they are locals, people living in the area, they come for shopping, and it seems like now it's also popular with foreigners. What is this? Warabi mochi is a popular jelly-like sweet that you eat in summer in Japan. The top is sugar and kinako, which is made from soya.